Oh man. Are your windshield wipers toast? They need to be replaced? Well, watch this video. This is a how-to video on how to replace them on a 2017 Kia Cadenza. Man, that stinks. So first, you want to put your car into wiper service mode so you can access the wiper arms without damaging the hood. To get your car into wiper service mode, you will push the start button 3 times. Then move the windshield wiper control to the mist position and hold for a couple seconds. This will move your windshield wiper arms up for easy access. Then remove the damaged wiper blades. I find using a screwdriver is helpful. It should be pretty straightforward. If necessary, look at the instructions for your specific windshield wipers. Now all you have to do is replace the second windshield wiper, just like you did the first one, and you're done. Now to get the arms back into their default position, all you have to do is just turn on your windshield wiper blades when you go out driving. That's it. So I hope the video helps. Make sure to subscribe, like, and until next time, bye.